Americano, ¿verdad? Me imagino, un mexicano cabrón. Si tiene algún problema, me lo dice ahora.
Yo no tengo problema.
Ah, pero ya está mirando, de mamá.
No, no te estoy mirando a ti, lo hice.
Ya, pero ahí tú lo haces. Tú eres esa mierda, cabrón. Date tranquilo, no jodas conmigo. No jodas conmigo. No, no, yo sé quiénes son ustedes. Yo sé quiénes son ustedes. ¿Quién no habla conmigo? No, no, ah, pues está bien, quédate tranquilo.
No somos iguales, no somos iguales.
No, yo soy boricua, papi. Yo saco una país, cabrón, saco una chapta. Saco una chapta. No es tú lo que tienes que hacer. A mí no me importa lo que tengas encima. Yo tengo encima. Más que distancia de aquí. Cállate la boca, cállate la boca. Cállate.
No, no,
Cállate.
somos iguales.
Cállate, a mí no me importa. Yo soy boricua y tú eres un fucking mexicano. Tú estás en tu país. Cállate.
Hala para allá.
Cállate.
Hala para allá.
Cállate.
Si no
Shut up, motherfucker. Cállate.
no quiero ganar.
Cállate. Vamos afuera, cabrón. Tienes un problema.
Hala para allá.
Wow. Wow. ¿Quieres cambiar?
No, be easy, G.
Motherfucker mexicano. Mexicano, cabrón. Motherfucker mexicano, cabrón. Mira, un boricua, cabrón. Esto es por amigo, motherfucker. Mira cómo te dejé, cabrón. Mira cómo te dejé. Un mexicano que dejó de culpa, cabrón. Tú eres de tu país, cabrón. In my country, motherfucker. Oh, ¿tú vienes a tirar para adelante? ¿Tú vienes a tirar? ¿Tú vienes a tirar? Este es tu país, cabrón. Este es mi país, motherfucker. No, no fuera. No fuera con esa mierda.
Express train. The next stop is 343 Harold Way.
I'm get closer.
We'll be right here waiting for you. Whatever it takes, or how my heart breaks, I will be right here waiting for you. Waiting for you. 好啦，right here waiting 咧，我梅欣 K 啲唱完啦。好啦，我哋咧就唱到今日為止啦，多謝各位僑胞朋友，多謝晒，祝各位朋友僑胞身體健康快樂，長命200歲，我哋聽日再見啦，多謝啦，多謝五叔，多謝我兩頭啦，多謝晒，多謝五叔。
Hey you guys, welcome to Likeable Squad. In today's video, what exactly happened was me and a couple of my friends here had gone to Subway, and our one classmate was working, and I don't know if he was having a bad day or what exactly, but he just like took out his anger on us completely. And first, okay, let me explain how this went. We first went in there, you know, getting our food and everything, and then we sat down. Well, there was a certain spot where, you know, everybody wants to sit. Well, the one guy working there, he had his stuff sitting on the desk there. Or not desk, what am I saying? The table, and you know, we wanted to sit there, and we asked him if we could move it, and he just flipped out for no reason whatsoever. Well, it kept going, and I don't know how this ended up, but my friend had gotten his sandwich burnt, so he didn't enjoy that very much, and what exactly happened was he had crumbs everywhere all over the table. I mean, it was only on the one table, like one section, I guess you could say, but it was funny, and you'll never guess what the guy said that was working there. He told us that we had to clean it up, and that it wasn't his responsibility, when it kind of is. I mean, I clean up after myself, but if somebody's gonna tell me to do it when I'm at like a restaurant, then I definitely won't, because there was no reason for that. He was flipping out for no reason. I got some of it on video towards the end, and it is pretty bad. I'll have some captions so you guys can understand what he's saying, but yeah. And then we decided to start coughing like we do in school. We'll do these fake coughs. Everybody in the room will do them, and it gets so annoying, and the teachers sometimes don't catch on, but then we do, and it's really hilarious. Well, we started doing that, and that's where it pushed him over the edge, and he threatened to get the manager or kick us out, you know. So, well, I hope you guys enjoy. Here's the video.
Who's the manager here? Want to call him in? Oh, you do? Nice. What, leaving crumbs like that? We can get kicked out? Doing what? We wanted to sit here, but your stuff was here. Well, that's not my customer. Maybe that's where we went home again. But if a customer wanted to sit here, you wouldn't move it? They would have nice Oh, yeah, hey, I got a question, manager. Alright, thank you.
Oh, no, we can't have a conversation, and so he makes up stuff. That's why he went back there.
I love Subway. Oh, yeah. Whoa. You're doing that on purpose. Get back.
Nice talk.
I would too. No, I doubt it. I told you. Oh, Jesus, this is gonna be bad.
Diddle.
Diddle spagittle.
Okay, what does diddle even mean?
I don't even know.
Yeah.
Did you do that? Just, well, there goes that. Nah, don't leave it. Ooh. Is it good? Oh yeah, it worked out.
It's good.
Oh god, that was all in my hand. Jesus. It's a little loud, don't you think? School fights in Central. Yeah, no kidding. Can't even talk to us.
Great employee.
Great employee.
Someone eat burnt.
Get a fucking burnt sandwich and she can't even talk to you. Well, that wasn't even why we wanted to
Burnt
talk to her.
sandwich. Get bitched at for your fucking
Coughing.
coughing.
It was a bit.
And my goddamn burnt
Here,
ass sub
let me take a
crumbling.
picture of Subway here. Just wait.
Why? What are you doing?
This way.
I don't even understand. What's the
Fred,
point?
shut up.
Okay.
Picture.
Okay, we're. That was looking at
Alright.
Subway. Why? What did you take a picture of Subway for?
Cause I'm gonna be like, got bitched at for coughing in there.
No, so you got bitched at for coughing. Couldn't sit
It's
in
going
a
on Snapchat.
Oh.
Ah.
Got bitched at for coughing.
Okay, we know what you're gonna say. You don't have to. You don't have to.
We got bitched at for coughing in there. Got yelled at for leaving crumbs off a burnt ass sub on the floor and on the chair a little, or on the table a little bit.
That was the part that got me. Aren't they supposed to clean that up? That's their
Fucking
job.
Couldn't sit in the seat because the employee's stuff was sitting there, and we went to sit there. He's like, "I'm gonna move it. Is that all right?" Yeah, don't fucking move it. That's what he said.
Yeah. And then later on, he's like, "Well, you guys could have asked me nicely." I was
Yeah.
like, "We did."
So we
The
couldn't
fuck
sit.
is wrong with
we
your
couldn't
head?
sit in a seat because the employee's stuff was sitting there, and he wouldn't let us. He wouldn't let us move it, or he wouldn't move it. What else? Did I say I got burnt ass sub already?
Yeah. Oh, I tell you, one hell of a night. That was in just an hour period.
Can't cough. Can't fucking leave crumbs on the table
From your
because it
burnt ass
burnt
sub.
fucking sub.
Can't sit down anywhere.
Can't move the employee shit to sit there.
That pissed me off when he was swearing.
Oh, there's my mom.
You know what?
Where's she going?
Fuck Subway. Dairy Queen.
Fuck Subway.
Fuck Subway.
Fuck Subway.
Fucking Subway.
That's
Subway, suck my dick.
good.
Where are we going now?
I gotta drop Sarah off.
Ah,
Nice.
Bull ass cars, dude.
squeeze right in.
Squeezing right in here.
I
Yeah.
gotta walk her.
Oh, I'll walk you in too.
Okay,
So
here
you
we
don't
go.
get
I'll come with you guys.
I want you to get
Oh, watch out.
Ooh, ice.
ice, baby. Yo, BFD, you make my dick wet.
What? I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it wasn't much, but it just described what happened today, and it was actually pretty funny and not very common for someone like me. And anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. You guys subscribe for more. I'm going to try to upload at least once a week or so, and then like this video, share it. Now I will leave you with Cade's philosophy on wrestling.
Wrestling, all it is two fucking guys in tight suits sweating on each other.
Она болеет, она специально...
Он сейчас сам испугается ее. Она чит! Она там бежит. Вот она сидела сейчас, когда увидела, сколько их там. Фига он испугается. Мне как-то переживает.
Банку посадила.
Нифига себе. Она очень злая.
Она сейчас вас разгонит, как кошка размером. Вот в ужасе, где вообще стая, блин? Иди отсюда.
Сащу подождем.
Да и не подождем, а под дерево.
Кошка за углом оглядывает. Кирюша, наша брела. Мыши. Все, кошка сейчас отберет, смотри.
Вообще-то я пришел поговорить о безопасности квартир, но раз уж прошла речь о квартире Байдакова, я тоже хочу стать прав. Никто не может быть признан виновным до приговора суда. А экспертиза. Действительно, дом, на котором отпечатки Байдакова, был Алабашвы, а в другом португальский портрет. Ну и ничего. Байдаков уже вспомнил, что пришел экспертизу своей бутылки. С ней и ушел. Хороший. Что же мне сейчас приходит? Воздух от этого стал чище. У нас с тобой работа позволится. У меня есть уже этим делом не заниматься.
Ready? Ja.
Stört das Licht?
Guck dir Tiere. Tiere? Ja, super. Ja, super. Das war gut.
Licht wird die Qualität nämlich schon besser.
Ja, brav ist sie. Ja, super.
Bis auf das, dass der Tiere ganz wilde Augen hat, wenn es reinschaut.
Ja, Tiere. Komm her. Tiere. Komm her zu mir. Ja, super, brav. Ja, brav ist sie. Spät. Jo, brav. Jo, brav. Tira. Jo, super war das. Ja, super. So.